Hello and welcome back to the ForProt tutorials. In one of the previous tutorials, we saw how the Snap tool was used. Today we want to dive deeper on how to use this tool in some block of ForProt. On the screen you can see the tabs that work with Snap. Snap is enabled by default in ForProt. When we disable it, the property changes colors. Let us see how it works. We'll start with the road. With this block, the Snap feature allows roads to be created in an aligned and continuous way. Simply hold the left click and drag the block linearly. See how the Snap works. Each road has a magnet on each end. It allows the road to be fully aligned. Now let's see how it works with the fences. It's the same process. Place a fence and hold the click, then drag the mouse in the direction you want to build. The fences will be aligned. In the fields, the quick build function is disabled. In these blocks, the Snap will allow you to align the crops to make construction easier. If a crop is superposed, just remove the tile that was misplaced and continue building. When you want to place a block near the Snap, you can see that the magnet also attracts it. In some cases, you will notice that it is positioned larger or smaller. Simply disable the Snap located in the top menu. The option then changes color, indicating that it is not enabled. See how you can now locate any object near the blocks that have the Snap. When you are finished, enable the Snap again. Remember, the Snap works for roads, fences, and crops. We are waiting for you in the next video tutorial.